Hey everyone, look at this. What do I have in my hands? This is M Caffeine. I have been using this product since 1 year and it has done wonders to my skin. My skin has started glowing really well. This is my beauty secret. This is how my skin starts glowing and it's really becoming so beautiful and wonderful every day. And I'm loving this product a lot and I recommend it completely to all of y'all. So y'all should also try this and then y'all can decide. And this is completely herbal. It is made up of coffee. So I don't think so anybody has allergy from coffee. So this is really good, and this actually helps you to you can roll it on your chin and make your double chin vanish away. This is a spatula to scoop the coffee, so it's really wonderful. I love this a lot. So this is something which every woman should have with her: scrubbing and body polishing. So I will just start with scrubbing my body, and I have taken this caffeine and I'll just take some water and I'll scrub it all over my hands like this. Before I had a lot of acne on my skin and now it has completely gone, and that's why I am recommending this to you. Cellulite is the uneven texture on your skin which makes the skin looks very uneven. So you lose that completely after using this. A beautiful aroma of coffee is spreading on my skin and my skin is actually getting scrubbed and exfoliated. My body has lost its cellulite because of the coffee power. So coffee helps in losing the cellulite. After using this, my skin has started glowing. It has started shining because of the body polishing oil inside, as well as it has lost all the cellulite. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. This is not a sponsored product. I have bought this product myself and I have been buying it for 1 year, so twice I have bought this. Go to the description box, click the link and it will take you to the Amazon site from where I bought this product, and you can also buy it. So this will not waste your time and immediately you will be buying your product from my affiliated link. So use that link and buy this product. Ooh, my hands have become really soft. It's really become very soft. It's really moisturized well, and all the dry skin, the dead skin has been removed, and it's looking very smooth and I can feel the smoothness. This is a real good product and I like using it. And of course I like coffee a lot. So the smell of coffee is really refreshing. Beautiful. If you feel you are allergic to coffee, then don't use this product. So that's my advice. Now we have to pat our skin dry and make it really dry. And see, now we have another product from the same caffeine, Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. This is. So I'll just take a pump of this oil like this and I'll apply it all over my skin. This is to moisturize it. So we'll just apply it all over the skin. The same thing you can do it on your face too. So beautify yourself and look gorgeous. And even men can use it. It's not only for women. Men also have the right to look good. So all the guys out there, buy this product, use it if you're having acne or uneven skin and see the effects. It will work wonders. Look at the shine. It's looking perfectly moisturized. So this you should regularly do at least once in 15 days. If you're lazy, then do it at least once in 15 days. And if you're really a person who takes care of your skin a lot, do it at least once a week. So this will give a really good glow to your hands and your face, your legs. You can do it wherever you feel like. take a look at my hands, they are really become soft, and the smoothness has increased a lot. After scrubbing, I'll use this body polishing oil, which really does wonders and glows the skin a lot. So I'll just put a little bit on my skin like this. I've just taken a drop of this and applied it all over my skin. So you also get this along with the kit. So after applying the body polishing oil, you have to just roll this on your skin like this. This massage also helps to soothe out the blood vessels on your face and makes your skin and your face look very relaxed. This will help all the oil to penetrate into your skin, and this will reduce the double chin. So use this every day and get a chiseled jawline. Now my skin is shining a lot after applying that oil, and it's so fragrant. My skin is smelling like coffee. All the acne and patches on my skin have started disappearing, and there's a beautiful glow and shine on my skin. So M-Caffeine is really easy to use and very simple. So please use it and beautify yourself. Now no one can stop you from looking gorgeous.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.